Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching MC Car Kid, and today we're back in Greenville with a new update. It's been a month since I've uploaded a video, so I'm going to try and record a few more videos, especially because we're on quarantine at home. I'll have a little bit more time, especially with online school. But the new cars that were added into the game, I know I did not get the last update, which added 7 new cars. I'm sorry about that, but the 3 new cars that were added into the game are the 2020 BMW X7, the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas, and the 2015 Infiniti QX50. Right in front of me is the X7, and this is a big car. This is the car that everybody was making memes about, having the huge BMW grills. Honestly, I really do like it. I think it looks good. But you have your nice headlights and the grille down below. You have no fog lights. Along the side you do have turn signals on your mirrors, and you have your nice rims with more chrome wrapping all the way around the car. In the back you have your taillights, which are all connected through that one chrome strip, and on the side you have your typical stuff. So we are going to move because this lady is very rude. You just have to run right into me. And this thing sounds really good. So, turn signals, horn, brake lights, turn signals, on the mirrors, headlights, again, all pretty much as usual expected. But this thing rides really nice. This thing drives really good, and honestly, this is one good car. The price is a little bit expensive though, at $94,000. I get it, it's a big car, it's 8-seater, the game might be a 7-seater, but it's a huge car. And BMW, so they're known for having expensive cars. But yeah, this thing just drives, sounds amazing. Let's see if we can get our top speed here. Right now in 8th gear. 8th gear, 127 miles per hour is the top speed on this thing. So not bad for such a big car. Now keep in mind, all 3 of the cars in this update are SUVs, so you're not going to really see cars that are too fast or hard to control. They're all really good roleplay family cars. But this thing drives amazing. And I know I sound like a person who's driving it around in real life, actually sitting in the car and stuff, but no. It drives a lot better than some of the other cars, and it being such big of a car, it's kind of easy to control too, easier to control, and it doesn't swerve all over the place unless there are idiots in the road like that guy going the wrong way. And it has no dead zone in the steering. Now of course if you swerve to the side, you're gonna have to take control of it again. Let's hop into the next car. This thing is definitely worth it if you're into roleplaying and can actually afford it. But let's cut off the e-brake here. Lagging a little bit, not sure why. But the next car is our 2018 Volkswagen Atlas, which I have in titanium beige. By the way, the X7 I just had in Manhattan green. Of course, this is one of Volkswagen's newer cars. It came out in 2017, I believe, or 2016. But the X7 is actually brand new for this year. In the front, of course, you have your headlights and your nice grille. Don't know what that light is, but your headlights are very bright, and it's all 4 lights. Your turn signals, of course, those don't look like fog lights, I could be wrong, but along the side these rims are a little bit on the small side and they're a little bit ugly, but again, you have your turn signal mirrors and in the back, of course, you have the turn signals, headlights, brake lights, all just a good car. Now, it sounds pretty much the same, maybe a little bit weaker, but the horn is nice, and yeah, like I said, it just kind of sounds weak. Of course, it's also a lot cheaper. I think this one was $36,000, which is a significant decrease in price. But if you just want to live that bougie life, live in luxury, in that X7, that's really pretty good. But we can try and hit top speed here. Horn is just over. Everybody's in the way. People don't know how to drive. Is that lawnmower still going? Alright, let's try and hit top speed here. Everybody's in the way. We just keep going straight. 8th gear again, 131 miles per hour. So it is a somewhat smaller car, but it is about 5 miles an hour faster. But we can make this U-turn right here, and it handles very well. The turning radius is honestly pretty good for such a big car. I know I say big because these are all big SUVs, but again, another car to keep on the list if you're looking for a significantly cheaper, less luxurious family roleplay car. And now our next and final car is our 2015 Infiniti QX50, which I have in Graphite Shadow. Now this is the oldest of the bunch, which means it could get fastest, could be the fastest, not fastiest, could be the slowest. It's also the smallest of the bunch. So headlight wise, headlights, turn signals, top there. No turn signals on the side, but you do have your Infiniti style grille. The fog lights don't work. Along the side, you have nice sized rims for this car. The mirrors don't have turn signals though, and of course you have your 4 doors, because these are all SUVs. But in the back, your brake lights and turn signals down below. Horn, and yeah, it just sounds like a car. This thing actually sounds more aggressive than the Atlas though. Now after today, I'm gonna try and upload consistently. Yeah, that's the word. And start playing different games. I know I've kind of been lacking on Bloxburg. I've done one video because again, I'm kind of been lacking. But I don't know if that's a glitch or not, but this thing only has one gear. One gear, top speed 118 miles per hour. I don't know if you meant to do it like that, but one just gear. One continuous gear. I can't even think of the words anymore. But yeah, this thing is quite a bit slower than both of the cars, coming in at 118 miles per hour. It's also the slowest, but it is older. And it's also the smallest, which means it could have the smallest engine out of the three, which, not to sound all nerdy, but could give it less horsepower. Slower 0-60-10 or slower top speed. But one gear, I don't know why it's one continuous gear. And if I didn't say it already, 190 miles per hour. I thought I said 118, but 190 miles per hour. If you're going down a hill and you're not holding on the gas, you can get to 126 miles per hour. You could probably get faster than that. That's going down a hill, not touching the gas. But yeah, this thing's handling, this thing's launch right off the bat is, again, a lot slower than the other cars. And we're actually going to try and make this U-turn here to see if the turning radius is any worse. But I don't think it's really a thing to get used to, putting your turn signals down here. It's kind of, you could probably put them right there. But, car brands. Now this thing's turning radius is not great. Now I'm not sure if any car, I'm not sure if any car in the game really could make that turn. There are probably a few cars that could make that turn, but not many. Again, initial acceleration is quite a bit slower than the other two cars. But this, of course, being the smallest, I believe is the cheapest. Not really sure how much, probably around 25,000. But even this thing is definitely worth it. It's not very fast and it's not very big. Probably only 5 seats. But it's, again, a nice family car if you have a small family, say 3 people, 4 people. This car is good. And of course, if your kids in roleplay, not that I roleplay too much, have friends, they could sit in the car. Not sure if they could fit in this car, but you might have to go for bigger cars, more expensive cars. Before I end though, I did change my outfit. We got the gas mask on for the coronavirus. Ripped jeans, sweater. I think I did wear this outfit before on camera. Just, I was a lot fatter, thicker. This is the thin version. So, I also have a new llama, new pet, new friend. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Gonna try and upload more. I know it's been a little bit slow lately, but if you guys enjoyed, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. We're almost at 100 subscribers. We're only 30 away, so please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.